Hello guys, greetings from me to you all wherever you are. Now today we're gonna be entering into Illustrator full time. The last class we treated was just an introduction, a bit of introduction. Now this is our Illustrator software. When we open our Illustrator software, at the left hand side of our screen, we're gonna find our tools, the tools we'll be working with. Then at the upper side, we're gonna see the menu bar. Then some other tools at the right hand side, which I already have here on my own. Now, if you don't have these, if you want to get these other tools that you'll be working on at the right hand side, all you need to do is just you go to Windows. From Windows, from the menu bar, then you can get some of the tools you want to work with, the stroke tools, the gradient, the transparent, and all that, the pathfinder. Now, I already have mine here. So what you're gonna do next is you just go to File from the menu bar, like Photoshop. We click on File. When we click on File, we get to New. So when we get to New, we'll get our working paper. Now A4 working paper. So you set your units, the centimeter. Now if you want to work with two artboards, it's left for you. So I'm gonna be working with one artboard, but I show you how to set it. From the number of artboard, you can increase or then you decrease the number. Now we have one artboard here. Then we click OK. We click OK. It's gonna get us our working paper. Now these are working paper. I want to show you something. So from the list of tools we have, so we're gonna be using a lot of them. So we have the rectangular tool, like the ones we have in Photoshop. So all you need to do is just click by the edge. Click by the edge, then it's gonna show you other options, other tools, other styles that you're gonna, you wanna choose from. So let's just choose our rectangle tool. I'm gonna use it to show you something very quickly. Now, here, unlike the marquee tools we use in Photoshop, we still have a complete rectangle in Photoshop, but here we only have the complete rectangle, complete ellipse. Not like we don't have the marquee tools, the dotted ones. So as soon as you create a rectangle or ellipse tool or whatever tool you create here using these particular tool options, so it's gonna apply color on it automatically. So it's not like a marquee tool in Photoshop. So let's just create our rectangle here. So we create a rectangle here. Now we have the line tool, the stroke. So it's on the weight is 1. So what you're gonna do, I think the color we have here, it's white color, so it's not visible. So we're gonna change the color now. All you need to do is just go to the color palette, the fill color. Just you double click on it. You double click, then it's gonna bring out the color modes here. So you have to select which color you want, whichever one you want to use. You just pick it up and then you work with it. So you just click on it and then you click OK, and it's gonna apply automatically. Now the stroke, it's just the weight is 1, so it's not all that visible. So all you have to do is from the menu bar, from the ribbon toolbar, we increase the width of the stroke, or we still have the stroke options by the right hand side of our wall because it's there for me. I brought it out. So if you want to bring your own, you can go from Windows and then you get it. So you can still increase it from here. You can increase it from here, or you go to the ribbon toolbar. It's also here. You can just increase the weight of the stroke. So it's now on 10. The stroke weight is 10. So after you might have increased the stroke, you just go to your drop selection tool, then you keep it, you drop it back, and then you click outside of the work you've created, then the highlights will just go out. So this is it. This is a rectangle with red fill color, and then the stroke is black. So this is what you're seeing now. So I want to divide this rectangle so that one part of it will be one color, then another part of it will be another color. So we're gonna merge the two colors now. So all you have to do is just go through your tools, get a pen tool. We still have pen tool in Photoshop. Just get your pen tool. Now from here outside your working place, you click once, Then you click again somewhere here, you drag whichever style, whichever thing you want to create using that pen tool, you do it. Then you create something else here. Now it's applying the stroke, because we increased the stroke line and then we didn't decrease it, we didn't reduce it before creating this. But if you want to reduce this by then before using the pen tool, it's left for you. So make sure also that you click outside. You started from outside, then you're gonna click outside again to keep it there. Now it has the stroke and then a bit of the fill color on it. So all we have to do is we just have to, using the color tool, we just have, there's none there, there's an option written none, which means we don't need the fill color on the pen tool with the line we've created. We just cancel it, it's gonna remove it. Now if you don't still need the stroke on the pen tool, you can still come to this line color and then you can still click on none, which means you don't need it. You click on it, it's gonna go out. So this is how it's gonna be if you don't need the stroke on the pen tool you created. Now what you're gonna do next is you go to if you don't have these Pathfinder options in your working place, you can go to Windows and then you get yours. So I have mine here. What you're gonna do next is you click on divide. There is an option there written divide. You click on divide. Once you click on divide, it's gonna let me say something. So when you click on divide, it's gonna divide these triangles we created. But before you do that, you have to highlight the whole work. You have to highlight all of them. So you first drop your pen tool. Once you've dropped your pen tool, then you highlight both the pen tool you use to create that line, the one I used to divide it. You just highlight everything. Once you've highlighted everything, then you have to now click on divide. When you click on divide, it's gonna divide this triangle that we created. What you're gonna do next is you click from the menu bar. You see object where it's written object. You click on the object. Now you're gonna see where it's written ungroup. Then you ungroup. You click on ungroup. Then you come back again and you click outside your working place. Once you click outside your working place, everything is done. You will see these two objects separately. So they are now separated. If you want to now add a color to this one you separated, it's up to you. So all you're gonna do is you choose a color from whichever color you want to add on it. Now we've changed the line color. So if you want to change the fill color also, you just click on the fill color and then you change it to whichever one you want to change it to. So this is just it. So if you want to bring back your work to the same place, you just scroll it down. Or if you didn't want to maybe separate it before, you just leave it there and then you change the colors. So now when you finish, you click outside your work so that the highlight sign will go out. So this is just the introduction. So this is just more of what will be, just a bit of more of what we are going to do in this Illustrator. So I hope you guys grab a bit of what I'm trying to teach you or say on this Illustrator. So we still have a lot more to learn. I wish you guys a happy viewing. Just make sure you keep subscribing to my YouTube channel. Tell your friends and tell your enemies. You never might know what they're gonna learn. See you guys.